Blackrock is an American multinational investment company based in New York City. Founded in 1988, initially as an enterprise risk management and fixed income institutional asset manager, Blackrock is the world's largest asset manager, with $8.59 trillion United States dollars in assets under management as of December 31, 2022. Blackrock was founded by Larry Fink, Robert Capito, Susan Wagner, Barbara Novick, Ben Golub, Hugh Frater, Ralph Schlosstein, and Keith Anderson to provide institutional clients with asset management services from a risk management perspective. Fink, Capito, Golub and Novick had worked together at First Boston, where Fink and his team were pioneers in the mortgage-backed securities market in the United States. Blackrock operates globally with 70 offices in 30 countries, and clients in 100 countries. Blackrock is the manager of the iShares group of exchange-traded funds, and along with the Vanguard Group and State Street, it is considered to be one of the big three index fund managers. Its Aladdin software keeps track of investment portfolios for many major financial institutions, and its Blackrock Solutions division provides financial risk management services. Blackrock is ranked 184th on the Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporations by revenue. Blackrock has sought to position itself as an industry leader in environmental, social, and corporate governance, ESG. It has been criticized by some for investing in companies that are involved in fossil fuels, the arms industry, and human rights violations in China. Others have scrutinized Blackrock for its efforts to reduce its investments in companies that have been accused of contributing to climate change and gun violence and its promotion of gender diversity. The U.S. States of West Virginia, Florida, and Louisiana have divested money away from or refused to do business with the firm because of its ESG policies. In 2012, it launched a climate infrastructure business which develops investment strategies to promote climate solutions. Its chief executive and co-founder Larry Fink, a New York-based billionaire, is seen to be at the forefront of ethically responsible investing and business practices, called ESGs. This has made him a politically controversial figure, who is attacked by both the left and right. Republican politicians have argued the corporate world's focus on climate change and social injustice is an overreach, claiming business leaders are trying to push what they describe as a liberal agenda. The firm will now be looking for institutional investors into the New Zealand Net Zero Fund. It has set a $2 billion target. An institutional investor is a business that invests money on behalf of its clients. The capital, or wealth, raised will be used to accelerate investment in solar, wind, green hydrogen and battery storage to supercharge the government's efforts to become one of the first countries in the world to reach 100% renewable electricity by the end of the decade. New Zealand's electricity grid already runs off between 80 to 85% renewable energy. It is a significant first step in a new direction in economic investment, and means investors can profit and drive the transition to more renewable energy. Fink said it was the largest low-carbon transition investment initiative for a single country the firm had ever created. It will enable New Zealand companies to access greater pools of capital to build out climate infrastructure across the country's energy system, including in wind power, solar power, battery storage, electric vehicle charging, and natural capital projects, he wrote in a LinkedIn post. The world is looking for models of cooperation between the private and public sectors, he added, to ensure an orderly, just, and fair energy transition. Building on Blackrock's Climate Finance Partnership Fund announced at COP26 in Glasgow, the New Zealand Climate Infrastructure Strategy can be a model for how to scale and implement this vision.